Hello everyone, welcome to Vigo Webs. Today we're going to see about sliding sign in and sign up form by using HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. Let me start. Here I am added the title sliding sign up and sign in form. In the link added the main.css. Here added font awesome for the social icons and added script tag for JavaScript. In the body, first I am going to add a container for this form. Container. I am giving one ID named container. Inside the container, I am going to create 3 sections. One is for create account and another one for sign in and the third one is for overlay container. First, I am adding the sign up container. I am naming form container. Adding another one sign up container. Okay. In this container, first I am adding the form tag. Inside the form tag, I am giving h1 naming create account. Okay. Then I am adding the another div for social icons naming social container. Here first I am giving Facebook icon. First I am giving a href as class social. Here I am adding I class fab fa Facebook. Here we got Facebook icon. Like that same I am adding for Twitter and LinkedIn. Just changing the name Twitter and here for link hyphen in. LinkedIn. Okay, now we got this one. After that, I'm adding one span for here. I'm adding or use your email for registration. Then now I'm adding the input form values for name. Input first type text giving the placeholder value name. That's self-closing one. Then the another one for email placeholder values email and the third one for password placeholder is password. Okay, now the next one is, what is that? I have to add the sign up button. I'm giving button, value, sign up. Okay, now we form is closed. Then we got this div. Now I'm copying this for another sign in container. Here, just I'm renaming the names sign in, the same social container. Here I am changing or use your account. Here we don't want the text field. I am removing this one. Email, password. Then here I am adding additional one thing for forget password. Here I am adding forget your password. Then here sign. Now we got the two forms. Then the third one is I'm adding for overlay content. Here dot overlay container. Inside the container overlay. Here for overlay panel. Here I am adding the h1 value. Welcome back. Here giving another overlay. First I am adding the left content. The paragraph I am giving random lorem ipsum text 20. Okay. Then adding for another button class slide. I'm giving ID sign in and the value is sign in. Okay, I'm copying this for sign up also. Just copying from here and paste it here. Just changing welcome text to hello friends. Okay, then here I'm changing overlay left to right for the overlay class. Here need for sign up. Okay, now we got the HTML part. Here it looks very good. So I'm removing some text. This is enough, I think. Okay, this is look like too much character count. So our HTML part is over. Now let me start to give some styles to this form. Here in the main.css, here I have imported the monster form. Here I am adding the box sizing, border box. In the body, background color, display flex, justify and align item center, flex direction column. This is a font family I used, what I imported. Height 100, we put height, and then I'm added the margin. Now I'm going to add style for rest of these items. First, give for h1 font weight bold, margin 0. Then for p tag font size 14 pixel, font weight 100, then giving some light height 20 pixel, letter spacing 0.5 pixel, margin 20 pixel, 30 pixel. Okay, then next for font size for the span text, font size 12 pixel. Okay, now for the A tag color, and it has, then the font size 14 pixel, text decoration none, margin 15 pixel, 0. Then give color for these buttons, button, border 1 pixel, solid, giving some color 8158 BD. Okay, giving the background color, I am giving the same color for this one. Got some purple kind of the color, and the text color giving white, border radius 20 pixel, then increasing the font size 12 pixel, font weight give 600. Okay, then giving the padding to this button 12 pixel, 45 pixel, then the letter spacing 1 pixel. Now text transform to uppercase. Now transition, transform 8 ms easy. Okay, now I am giving class for the button when it is in active and focus. Button active, transform, scale 0.95. Then button for when focusing, outline, and okay, then the next button dot slide, background color transparent, and the border color white. The side is where it's the color for this overlay container. Then giving style for form, background color giving white, display flux, align items, center, justify content, center, flux, direction column, giving padding 0.50 pixels, height 100%, text align center. Now giving CSS class for input, background color, and the border none. They adding some padding 12 pixel, 15 pixel, margin 8 pixel, 0, then with 100%. Okay, now next I am going to style the container background color white, border radius 10 pixel, position relative width 768 pixel, max width 100%, min height 480 pixel. Okay, then overflow header. Now I'm adding some box shadow 14 pixel, 28 pixel, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.25, copy this value, RGBA value, then 0, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, give 22. Remove this comma. Some box shadow is applied it here. Now let me style the form container. Okay, before that let me adjust this screen sizes. Now I am going to add for form container, position absolute, the top 0, height 100%. Now adding some transition, all 0.6 second is in out. Now I am giving the for sign in container, left 0 with 50%, z index 2. Then here adding container right panel active sign in container transform translate x 100%. Now adding for the sign up container, copying this one, paste it here, sign up container. Here I'm adding z index 1. Now adding the opacity 0. Now the same right panel active classes for the sign up container. Here additional to that I'm adding the opacity 1, then z index 5. Then adding classes for overlay container. Position absolute, then the top 0, left 50% with 50% height, 100% overflow, hidden, transition, transform 0.6s, is in out, z index giving 100. Now adding this right panel for overlay container. Minus 100%. Then giving some background color to the overlay. First giving some background as 7F53 AC. Okay, it's a purple color. Then adding background linear gradient to right as 6470 E, comma as 7F53 AC. Adding for WebKit, then adding the background, repeat, no repeat, background sizes, curve, background position 0, 0. Then color white, position relative left minus 100%, height 100% with 200%. Now the transform, translate x 0, then transition, transform 0.6 second is in out. Then adding this right panel active, giving 50%. Then next we are adding for overlay panel, position absolute, display flex, align item center, justify content center, flex, direction, column, padding 0.40 pixel, then text align, center, top 0, height 100, percentage, width 50%, then adding and copying this one and paste it for this one also. Nothing is functioning. Then overlay, left, transform, translate, and copy it here. Here it's minus 20%. For this container, right panel active, adding translate x 0. Then similar kind for the overlay, right also, right, right, further here, right 0 and translate, give 0 for the active, here adding 20%. Okay, now here I'm adding for social containers. Social container, margin 20 pixel 0, then social container a tags, display, inline, flex, justify, content, center, align, items, center, margin 0.5 pixel, height 40 pixel, width 40 pixel. Can give border 1 pixel, solid, and the border radius 50%. Okay. Let me add some animation to these slides. So I'm looking for here, adding some animation, naming so 0.6 is here, adding the keyframe, naming so here 0%, 49.99%, opacity 0, z index 1, and from 50% and the 100%, it will be opacity 1 and z index 5. Now let me add some JavaScript to this form. Sign up button equal to document.getElement by id, adding sign up. The same thing for adding sign in. Sign. Then constant container equal to document dot get by id container. Now sign up button dot add event listener. Click in the function container dot class list dot add right panel active. Now I'm copying this and paste it for sign fusion. Click contain dot remove. Now let me check the form. It's working. That's all about this. Let me meet in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.